Hello everyone, my name is Moini Sinha from India and I am an acrylic artist. From past 4 years, I have been painting nature's beauty. I am also an IT engineer and worked for many MNCs almost a decade and now pursuing my passion as a profession.
So in this we will be learning 5 different types of painting. All different types and very vibrant and very beautiful paintings we will be learning in this entire course. So we will first start with the materials which we will be needing for this doing the entire painting. Then comes the brushes and brushes techniques, how to use the brushes, then the color theory, the color wheel, everything we learn from scratch, the color combinations, how we can mix and match the colors, everything we will learn in detail in this. And apart from that, we will be learning 5 types of blending. So this is one type, which in this we are using one color blending. Then comes 3 types of pine tree, then the complete painting. Then comes the second 2 color blending with 2 types of palm tree, complete painting, the second painting. Then comes the painting with 3 layers, then the complete painting of the tree. Then comes the fourth one, which is the circular motion blending. Then nice and beautiful candle painting. Then the last one is bouquet effect blending with nice beauty of the winter scape. Here we will be learning in detail. So without wasting our time, let's start with our first lesson, that is the color wheel.